Meaning of diplomatic corps.
Diplomatic corps.
Diplomatic corps.
Diplomatic corps.
Diplomatic corps. The diplomatic corps refers to a group of people who represent their countries in foreign relations. They work at embassies, consulates, and other diplomatic missions around the world and serve as official representatives of their governments. The diplomatic corps plays a crucial role in promoting the interests of their respective countries and maintaining peaceful relationships with other nations. They engage in activities such as negotiating treaties, providing consular services to citizens, and advocating for their country's policies on the global stage. In short, the diplomatic corps is a vital component of international diplomacy and contributes to the maintenance of peaceful global relations.